Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to uninstall games on Microsoft Store. So the procedure of uninstalling applications, both applications and games, is not really different, to be honest. So if you want to uninstall an app, you're just going to your library like this. Then you're clicking on these three dots in here. I mean, depending on, of course, what you want to uninstall, right? So for example, you go here. Okay, so from the home page, go to gaming, choose the game that you want to uninstall. So say, for example, I have Roblox, for example, right? So for me, there's going to be a get button, and for you, it's going to be an uninstall button here. And if you can't find it here, then of course you can also do it in the second way. So if you can't find the option to uninstall, you literally need to go to the apps, okay? And once you're going to the apps, for example, I have this 3D viewer, there's going to be a game here, press on uninstall, and you're done, guys. This is very simple. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.